sarap ng barbecue.
Hindi kasi taga-DPWH yung asawa ko. Char!
Every 2 years gawin natin.
We are moving! So, we are moving to
Adelaide!
And as you can see, we are currently packing. Yan. So, it's 3 years worth of stuff. Sobrang kalat ng bahay. Pwede tayo na mapanood nyo to. Alam nyo na, nalilipat kami or nakalipat na kami sa Adelaide. Sobrang kalat ng bahay right now. Samahan nyo kaming mag-pack. Let's go.
Some days I can't get out of my bed. Some days I'm waking up on the wrong side of my head. And I got all these eyes on me, staring at me through my screen. Most nights I just can't wait to lie down. So tired from my thoughts that keep on swirling around. Medication used to help me breathe.
Dati nung lumipat kami from Philippines to Melbourne, yung pag-pack namin, hindi sobrang complicated. Kasi, ano lang ba yung dala namin, di ba? Majority ng dala namin, damit, tsaka mga basic stuff. But this time, what makes it more complicated are the furnitures and the appliances. Lahat ng napundar namin dito, like yung mga sofa, yung TV rack, yung dining table, yung bed, yung shoe console, air fryer, coffee machine, yung kanyang, pati yung kanyang office table na nasa likod na sobrang laki. So lahat yan, imagine, lahat yan, i-move namin. Hindi namin in-expect to move sa Adelaide, but alam mo naman, hindi talaga natin alam ang future is. It's a nice surprise. So, new environment na naman. And new adjustment. So, it's basically a fresh start for the both of us. So, yun. Syempre, dahil ako ang mahilig magluto, ang dami kong spices, as you can see. So, pinapak ko siya isa-isa dahil ayoko siyang itapon. Imagine, ang hirap kayong magkulit ng mga spices. And, isang ganitong klaseng powder, hindi siya mura. I think this is around $3, almost $4 isang ganito. So, hindi ko to itatapon at bibili ng bago. Tatape ko siya isa-isa at dadaling ko siya sa Adelaide. You have to be smart, no? Wala tayong budget. Ayokong may masayang, ayokong itapon. Dadalhin ko yan lahat dahil hindi ako anak ng contractor. Charot! Hindi kasi taga-DPWH yung asawa ko. Char! O, alam niyo na, ha? Anyway. Oh my gosh, 2:20 na pala ng hapon. Hindi pa kami nanananghalian. So, tara. Pause muna. Kaya pala nagugutom na ako. This is our lunch for today. Ito yung meal prep ko a few days ago. Ito na yung last kong meal prep. This is chicken, pesto, pasta salad. And ito naman yung food niya na niluto ko few days ago din. Madami yung niluto ko para hindi na ako magluluto. Init na lang siya ng init. This is panang beef curry.
My new favorite.
Yes, sobrang nagustuhan niya yan. Sagay mo na yung peanuts. Meron tong may ka-partner na nuts. Yan, meron siyang nuts sa iba. Pinipair niya yung, nasunog na yata.
Yeah.
Yan yung ka-pair niya dyan. That's what? Vegetable pancake?
Yeah.
Na binibili namin sa may train station.
Kasama ng curry.
Hindi, yung Tim Tam dessert niya yan mamaya. Time to eat. Sa akin ito. Yan. Last ko na din itong meal prep. Mag-lunch and break time muna dahil pagod na kami and meron din kaming kailangan bilhin sa city. So, pupunta muna kami ng city. 12 degrees feels like 7. O, diba? Kaya ang ginawa ko kanina pa. Ulan pa ng ulan simula kayo umaga. Ng stuff, kailangan natin ng bubble wrap.
Additional
Tapos,
cutter para sa tayo.
maglakad-lakad. Balikan na lang namin kayo tomorrow. Ito na naman po kami. Back to packing. We're almost done. I would say 75%. Siya yung taga-pack ng mga gadgets. Good luck talaga. Sobrang kalat ng bahay. It's already 2:30. Hindi pa kami tapos mag-pack. And gutom na rin. So, siya nagyaya na kumain. So, kain muna tayo sa labas.
Paro! Sino mo yung bin-order mo sa akin? Maliit. Laya mo, ah. Siyempre, palit kami. Na-order niya yung maliit na fries sa akin. Hindi ako papayag. Kaya manager. Grabe. 3 o'clock na. Ngayon pa lang kami nagla-lunch.
Solo.
Sobrang late lunch dahil bukas na yung collection ng gamit.
Every last Tuesday of the month, sakado to from 2 to ano yata, dahil sa mga homeless.
Hapon.
Ano siya, free siya for the homeless. Kaya
Sobrang
ang haba ng period dito. For the past 2 years, nagtataka kami. Kala namin, bumibili ng ticket or something sa train, yung pala. So, for the homeless, no, every month. Tuesday.
salute sa may-ari. Kasi
So,
sobrang ganda ng kanyang advocacy. It's to feed.
Yeah.
To feed the homeless.
Parang feeding program pala once a month.
Dinner time! Dahil wala na kaming pagkain and wala na kaming gamit. So, we just bought this sushi. And then, what do you call this? Veggie pancake and takoyaki from Southern Cross. Super sarap yan. And kapag 6 p.m. na, buy one, take one na siya. Tsaka yung sushi.
Hindi lahat buy one, take
one.
one.
Yung iba, buy one, take one. Tapos yung mga sushi, buy 6 for, how much? For $10. So,
tapos
sobrang...
yung ibang sushi dun sa kabila, minus $4.
So, mura na yun. So lagi...
naghihintay kami doon.
6 o'clock. Pag nilagay na nila yung...
Pag nilagay na yung sign. Kasi
na
to,
sale na.
katulad nito, buy one, take one to be. Pakita po to.
Okay, so, time to eat. Gutom na kami. Almost done. Pero hindi pa rin done. This takoyaki is so good.
Kilig to, kilig.
Dami na namin na-try na takoyaki from restaurants, Japanese restaurants. Mas masarap pa to.
Ano gusto mo? Kahit ano na lang.
Yum.
Guys, I can, and I've done
Nobody
every
wants this thing
possible
tapos
combination.
na.
Rebecca Vassar, Rebecca.
We're almost done! Finally! Ang
Enjoy
sarap!
guys, enjoy. Sobrang enjoy. Ayan, saya. Tsaka maano eh, talagang yung bonding ng mag-asawa. Talagang masarap eh.
Yung visit na visit na kayo sa isa't isa. Grabe yung bonding. It's getting there. It's almost empty. Konti na lang. Masasabi mo masarap?
Sarap, oh. Every 2 years gawin natin.
Ano, gawin na, let's make it a yearly
Let's make
thing.
a tradition.
Yeah, let's start a tradition.
Walked over, joined in the line. Jaw dropped, you wearing all white. Wonder when you got so fun. Yeah. Said hi and asked.
Enjoy. Malilibang kayo. Kasi na-realize mo yung asa sa pintuan, tsaka hindi. Next year ulit ha.
The one I'm looking for. You could be the one my heart adores. Got me in my head, yeah. Don't need second guesses. Falling but won't let it show. You're what I'm looking for. You had me at the door. Walked in,
Dinner time. Hindi na kami nagpa kasi pagod na. So, nasa Filipino restaurant kami ngayon. And the name is Enos. So, magta-try kami ng another Filipino restaurant. Hopefully, masarap this time. Na-try niya na to ako, hindi pa. So, in-order namin yung sinigang dahil favorite ko ang sinigang. Tapos sisig. Favorite ka sisig. Malalaman natin kung masarap ba o hindi. Pero sabi niya masarap daw eh. So, sarap. Sarap.
walked over, joined in the line. Jaw dropped, you wearing all white. Wonder when you got so fine. Yeah. Said hi and asked what's been up. Kept talking month after month. Your time, I can't get enough. Not alone anymore. You could be the one I'm looking for. You could be the one my heart adores. Got me in my head.
Ang sarap ng barbecue. Ang sarap ng sisig. Yung sinigang acceptable. Not super. Masarap pa rin sa mama ko. Tsaka kay mami. Pero masarap lang. At the barbecue.
Ako yung sisig.
Masarap din talaga yung sisig.
So far, ito yung pinakamasarap na sisig sa Australia.
Yeah. Good job, NOC. Good job. Babalik ko.
Hindi na makakabalik.
Yun na nga. Sabihin ko nga. Babalik kami pag nandito kami sa Melbourne. Otherwise,
Kapag nabisita tayo, kabalik.
Siyempre, hindi pwede hindi order na. Halo-halo! Laking ng fairness. Kahit sobrang lamig sa labas. Halo-halo is life. Hot ng langka.
Be going out every night under the lights and trying out brand new drinks with brand new faces. But I'm tired of staying up late. I can't overstate the beauty of settling down with the one you love. Sometimes all I wanna do is be at home next to you. What do you say if we stay? We could be doing nothing. We could just sit here in the silence saying nothing. You could just hold my hand